Today's video is sponsored by WW. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. I'm Natalie. Today I have for you a day in my life. It is finally a beautiful day in New York. I feel like it's been raining every single day this summer. We actually had a crazy storm like last weekend, and I'm just glad that it's finally nice outside. I already had breakfast like you guys saw, and I'm currently having some coffee, but I want to touch on a topic that is really important for me, and I feel like I've shared it a little bit here and there throughout some vlogs and also on my Instagram. Just like everyone at the beginning of the year, we all make our resolutions and the goals and just like all of these things that we want to accomplish and do, and honestly, just like the year hits you with so many different things that you forget to accomplish those things. So one of them in particular for me is definitely just getting better in my nutrition, learning more, being more informed, and just having a better relationship with food overall. Like, you know, not necessarily seeing it as, I guess, a diet or eating healthy, but just like a lifestyle, better said. And if I'm being completely honest with you guys, with everything I have going on in my life, it is truly so hard to balance it all, like with my business, with Not the Label, also just trying to eat healthier, working out more, being better about my wellness overall. So I feel like I am little by little starting to find a balance, and the lifesaver of it all has been the WW app. So if you guys aren't familiar, I shared recently on Instagram that I have been using the WW app basically to track my nutrition, to help me eat healthier, to also, you know, maybe balance out my weight a little bit more, because obviously due to quarantine, a couple pounds here and there has been added. Nothing too crazy. I personally like my current weight. I just want to be a little bit more fit and healthier. But aside from all of the nutrition and eating aspects, the app also offers so many different things that I just love the fact that it's all in one place. It offers you recipes, workout videos, meditation videos, yoga. It also helps you with sleeping and just like mindset overall as well. Another thing that I love is that it actually works with you and your day-to-day life and what you currently eat, and just like fixing it around that, not necessarily changing and giving you a totally new different diet. My color plan is purple, so they have different color plans, and I have purple 101. Which is currently everything I eat. I just basically eat everything. I already track my breakfast, and another great thing that I love is that you can scan your food. So in case the food is not here when you search it, you can scan it. And also another great feature is that you can add whatever is on your fridge, and it works with what you already have home. Whenever you go to restaurants, you can also track the food that way. You can search the name of the restaurant, and it helps you like jot down everything you ate, or in case you want to look ahead, you can also just look at the menu and choose what you're going to eat. Point wise, it's really cool because you have 0 points. Let me see, your 0 point foods. For me in particular, 0 point foods are like so many. So these don't count anything whenever I'm counting my food. I have fruits here, which are my 0 point foods, vegetables, protein, eggs, for example, salmon, chicken, dairy, pasta, and grains. Like a lot of these are 0 point foods, which is awesome, because I personally thought, I'm like, there's no way that I'm going to be able to accomplish my like daily number and not overpass it. So with that being said, like I mentioned, I already tracked my breakfast, and I am soon going to narrow down my lunch ideas, because I honestly need to do some grocery shopping. But I have a couple foods here that I might have for lunch and add it in here. But right now I'm going to click on the mindset tab and do a 5-minute coaching, which has different like meditations and, you know, like reflections, morning meditations and stuff. So I'm going to do that really quickly. I don't know if I already mentioned it, but they offered Headspace, which is amazing. You can follow their morning ones or also nighttime ones to help you sleep better. But they have here a wake up, end of day, walk at home or anywhere, like different meditations and like sleeping music and stuff. So I'm going to choose the waking up, which is a 3-minute one.
Just take a moment to get comfortable. Make sure you're sitting upright.
Just finished doing my meditation. I also want to let you guys know that you can gain points from like working out, stretching, doing yoga, going for a walk. That way it will basically add to your like dashboard. When you gain points, it will be added to your dashboard, which is really cool. Anyways, I'm going to be using the app throughout the day today, but I highly recommend for you guys to check it out and join me and download the app. I'm going to be linking it down below for you guys so you can go ahead and download it and test it out for yourself. I personally have been loving it, and I've heard so many great comments from you guys on Instagram, so highly recommend. But I'm now going to be doing a couple things around the apartment. I have to pack some orders, finish up some, paint my nails, and organize a bit before I do like my nature walk, because I really want to go for a walk. So taking a quick lunch break from crocheting and finishing up some orders, I am going to try to find a good lunch to eat that I currently have home from the WW app and see which one works best, you know, for my nutrition and for my chart today. So I think I want to do a smoothie. A mango smoothie is 0 points for me, so that's great. Going to add that to my lunch. And then I also want to look up these chicken dumplings that I love from Trader Joe's. So let me scan that really quickly. All right, so these are the chicken dumplings. Nice, 6 points. Let's do it.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
All right, dumplings are ready. I kind of made them really toasty this time. lunch break is over. I am now going to start packing some orders, get ready to go to the post office, possibly do my makeup. I have not done my nails yet. Too many things to do. So let's just see what I actually get done. And I'm still hoping to go for my bike ride. Just finished packing some orders. I'm now going to do a quick makeup to head to the post office and for my quick bike ride. So, and just like that, makeup is done. I honestly wish it would be that quick to do your makeup, but I am going to quickly head to the post office. It is beaming outside today. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to definitely wait till the sun goes down a little bit to go for my bike ride because I can't. All right, so I am about to go for my bike ride, but before I do, I want to take my WW personal assessment test with you guys. So let's get to it. All right, here are my results, which not bad, like they said, but definitely have a lot to work on when it comes to my nutrition, just being more active. You know, since I work from home, it's truly hard for me to find time to be a little bit more active. It's a little hard for me, but definitely very much needed. So I'm excited to go for this bike ride now. But overall, you guys, I just love the WW app and I couldn't recommend it enough. I'm going to be linking it down below so you guys can go ahead and download the app and join the community. But let's go ahead for our bike ride.